Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to set up vitepos custom barcodes. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, thank you for being part of our community. Let's get started. First, navigate to the vitepos admin panel and go to the Settings module. Under the Basic Settings tab, locate the Barcode Settings field. Select Custom Barcode and click Save. Next, go to your WooCommerce All Products list. You can either edit an existing product or create a new one to assign a custom barcode. For this demo, we'll add a new product. Enter the product name and description, upload an image, and set the price. Then, click on the Inventory tab. Here you'll see the barcode value field. Enter your custom barcode value. We'll set a value and copy it for later use. Once done, click Publish. Your product is now successfully published. To scan the product, go to the Pause panel. Paste the custom barcode value you copied earlier. As you can see, the product appears in the cart correctly using the custom barcode. Now, go to the Products module and scan the same product again using the same barcode. The product will display immediately upon scanning. Click the edit icon on the product. You'll see the same custom barcode value set earlier in WooCommerce. This process works both ways. Note, if you create a product through the Pause panel and assign a custom barcode, it will also reflect in the WooCommerce product data. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more updates.